If you're a descendant of Akabulan, looking to do right with your lifetime, looking to do right by a people, looking to do right by the children, Sikilese, you need to listen. If you're a descendant of Akabulan who is determined to contribute substantively to righting wrongs in this world that you have come to find, you need to listen. If you're a descendant of Akabulan who cares to use their skills, talents, and competencies for the interest of the peoples of Alkebulan, regardless of where they may be currently located in this world, you need to listen. Jina langu ni Agbekukwesi, initials AK, Jagna wa Alkebulan. It is important that you realize, daughters and sons of Alkebulan, that the conditions you've come to find the people within your lifetime has been all by design. There is a reason why the world perceives you in the decayed negative reference that they do. It's by design. There is a reason why you perceive yourself in the pathetic references that you do. It is by design. Through fake and false leadership and dishonest education. And you, daughter and son of Alkebulan, are going to correct this for generations to come. If you were birthed in the mid-60s to the mid-80s, yours is an obligation to reroute yourself in the authentic capacities of organic Alkebulan relevance. If you were birthed in the late 80s through the 90s to the early 2000s, yours has to be an understanding that you have to learn what you must, because you will be the needed leadership to implement what is to be built upon. Daughters and sons of Alkebulan, this is why, if you are serious about being nurtured in the capacities of Alkebulan leadership, you are being invited to connect to a channel to Natosha, where you will be taught how to root yourself in the organic relevance of your authenticity as a daughter or son of Alkebulan. Look, the world does not take from you because you don't have. The world needs what you have and has always needed and will always need it. Your skills, your talents, your resources, beginning with the most important resource on earth, your mind. You are going to take this back for yourself and everything in between. You have to understand, daughter and son of Al-Kabulan, that you are the it, have been and will always be. The decadence that you have come to find in your lifetime, that the world is plagued with, know that you are the cure. There is no cure beyond you. You have to get back right-mindedness. And we are going to ensure that you do. Tunatosha is a learning channel for high context responsibility nurturing. That is you, daughter and son of Al-Kabulan, the steward of humanity. Regardless of where you are currently located in the world, you have a responsibility and an obligation to usher in what must become, and that is a sanitized world that is decontaminated from the activities of degenerates. And you, daughter and son of Al-Kabulan, have to begin with self. Kujua mtu mwenyewe. Kujua mtu mwenyewe. Know within yourself is the mandate of a restored and strengthened personhood that must connect to the significance of a peoplehood. Indeed, and you are going to do it. Again, you have everything. You've had everything. You are everything that everybody else needs. Now is to be everything and everything to yourself. And you will do this through the honest and right leadership and the truthful education that is being restored once again by you, daughters and sons of Al-Kabulan. So understand that again there is no cure for the filth that degenerates have conjured on our beautiful Mother Earth beyond yourself. There's no cure. You are the cure. But you must first heal. And we will guide you along that objective. Connect to the channel Tunatosha and you will begin that necessary process. Your skills, your competencies must be used in the interest of Al-Kabulan, must serve the interests of Al-Kabulan and her descendants yet to come. Learn, my good people. Learn right. Live that which you learn. You have an opportunity to download a complimentary reference titled TUME za KIJAMII za utendaji. TUME za KIJAMII za utendaji. The sectors of functionality. The sectors of functionality. Ensure to download this. There you will see the sectors of societal functionality. You, daughters and sons of Al-Kabulan, understand the coding of the world history in the civilized context is within you. You carry that in your DNA, and it's going to take authentic leadership and honest education to restore the health and strength of a people once again. Download that, connect to the channel to Natosha, and begin the journey. Lastly, Al-Kabulan teaches, though you do not need to understand something wrong-lived, it, however, requires understanding to rightly correct something wrong-lived. Tenor, again, though you do not need to understand something wrong-lived to live it out. You don't need to understand it. But to rightly correct it, it requires understanding. All praise and honor to our ancestors. All praise and honor to our caring elders. Her daughters and sons with breath will adhere to the teachings and live out the values, the principles of our organic essence. Yawa, you, daughter and son of Al-Kabulan, will reroot akili yako in your organic essence, regardless of where you are currently located in the world.